So, officer,
Yes, officer.
is everyone ready to go?
Let's see, is everyone ready? Yes, officer, we are ready.
Good. Now let's show these folks how sharp we are.
Ready, officer?
Ready?
Attention! Hey, Corey, what are you doing? You're not supposed to sleep, Corey. Wake up! Corey, get up. Oh, I know. Would you like some fish? Very funny, Corey. Now to work in the field. How powerful are they? Early will show you. Drum roll, please.
So, officer,
Yes, officer.
how's that first day?
But that's great. Alright. There's another feature that makes them different from a seal. It's their hind flippers that rotate, making moving on land so easy. So, Early and Corey, you show them your back flippers.
Okay, let's wait for early.
Alright, Corey, you first. Wow.
Hey, how about you early? Back flippers, please. There you go. Oh, a little bit funny.
Next, would you like to see Corey and Early imitate a seal?
Hey, come on, guys, would you like to see it?
Yes.
Again, you heard it first. Show them a seal.
Show them a seal.
Officer, that looks like a seal.
And this is how seals walk.